coconut water begins high above the ground. First, coconuts are reached by hand. Next, tools extend reach safely. After that, coconuts are gathered. Only intact coconuts continue. Only intact coconuts continue. Once gathered, coconuts are secured for travel.
Next, the journey moves off the farm.
A driver takes control.
Then, the journey moves inland. After that, processing begins.
Next, inspection takes over.
Once delivered, coconuts enter inspection.
Shell condition is checked first.
Only intact coconuts continue.
Although subtle, maturity matters.
Next, cleaning begins. After inspection, cleaning begins. Then, surfaces are sanitized. Next, shells are opened under control. Once cleaned, coconuts are positioned carefully.
After that, extraction is complete.
Next, the water is refined.
Once extracted, the water is transferred for refinement.
Then, remaining particles are removed. Although invisible, this step is essential. Next, stability is ensured. Next, coconut water is gently heated.
This step reduces harmful microorganisms.
After that, temperature is reduced quickly.
Cooling preserves freshness. Now, it's ready to be packaged.
First, containers are prepared.
After that, filling is complete.
Then, containers are sealed.
Only sealed containers move forward.
Next, storage maintains freshness.
After packaging, cold storage takes over.
Cooling slows change.
Here, order matters.
Next, distribution begins.
Once delivered, products reach the shelf.
Cooling continues at retail. Then, a choice is made.
After that, the journey leaves the store. Finally, the journey reaches the consumer.
After a long journey, it reaches its final stop.
Once opened, the journey becomes personal.